Limpien la mesa también y ponerla ahí por donde aquel día. Porque esta bulla no me va a dejar trabajar.
Hello, guys. Good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Hello, Milton.
Hello.
Hello, Mario. Sí, Silvia, Cristian,
Hello, teacher.
Aidelin,
Hello,
Ricardo,
teacher.
Elmer, Janet, Esther. How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing really good. What about you?
Hello, teacher. I'm great. How do you doing?
Excellent, Magdalene. I'm really good. It was a nice day at work. Let's see if we are missing. Okay, let's give 1 minute for the ones that are still connecting. And then we are going to begin with today's activity.
Yeah.
I will also check the attendance in a moment. Okay, Mario says much interruption. Okay. Good, we're gonna check on that. Let's see, give me 1 moment. And I will take the attendance, and I will also share the screen. So just give me 1 moment. I need to get the list. Okay. Okay, Kevin is here already. Hello, Kevin. No, let's see. There we go. Okay, very good. Let me check the attendance. So Mario Martinez.
Present, teacher.
Thank you, Mario. Rosa Esther Méndez. Hello, hello. Esther, is that you? Are you Esther Mendez?
Present.
Thank you. Ricardo Esteves.
Present, teacher.
Thank you, Ricardo. Christian.
Present, teacher.
Thank you, Christian. Elmer. Is Elmer here already? No, not yet. I think he probably will be a little bit late. And Nestor Beltran.
Present.
Thank you, Nestor. Very good. Okay, let me just... No, okay, now I'm going to share my screen. And we begin. Actually, today's class is related to the class from yesterday. So we are going to look at some images again. Let me share the screen. And do you see it? Do you see the screen, guys, that I am sharing? Yes, do you? Hello, hello. Do you see it? Yes. Do you see that right now? It just says basic 2 right now. Do you see that? Hello. You are very quiet today, guys. Why is that? Let me put the picture and tell me if you can see it. Somebody in the chat. Oh, Madeline. Yes. Okay. Good. So very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's see. Read the question. What do you suggest? I have that question for you today. What do you suggest? And I'm going to show you the logos of restaurants. And I want you to tell me which restaurant do you suggest? So can you see those? We have Pollo Campero, we have Pizza Hut, we have Don Pollo, Burger King, McDonald's, Domino's Pizza, we have Mr. Donuts, and we have Wendy's. Are you familiar with all the restaurants on the picture? Oops, let me go back. Are you familiar with those? Do you know them? Yes? Elmer?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, good. Hello, Elmer, you're here now. I just took attendance. Can you hear me, Elmer? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Thank you, Elmer. Okay, so what I want you to tell me is which one do you prefer? If you have to choose one, which one do you prefer? Choose one. And what I want you to tell me, I want you to suggest one of them. So look at the picture. Did you choose one already? Yes? Which one is your favorite? Let's see. Let's begin with Mario. Mario, can you hear me? Hello, hello, Mario. Which one is your favorite, Mario?
Perdón.
Which one is your favorite?
No le comprendí.
Your favorite restaurant from the pictures. Choose one.
Okay. Wendy's.
Wendy's. Okay, Mario. Why? Why do you like Wendy's?
Yes.
Okay. And what do they sell? Is it chicken? Is it pizza? Are they hamburgers? What do they sell?
Pollo Campero.
Okay. And in Wendy's? What do you eat at Wendy's? Do you eat chicken? Do you eat pizza? Do you eat hamburgers? What do you eat in Wendy's?
Hamburger.
Hamburgers, okay. Only hamburgers? Yeah, only hamburgers?
Yes.
Okay. Milton, what about you? Which one is your favorite? Milton.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Why do you like Pizza Hut?
¿Cómo se llama? Pepperoni.
The pepperoni pizza?
Yes.
Excellent. Very good. Madeline, which one is your favorite?
My favorite restaurant is Pizza Hut. Because I love pizza.
Okay.
Mr. Donut. I love donut.
Okay.
This is the month of the donut. This is September.
Hey, that's true. That's true. September, the month of the donuts. Did you buy donuts already, guys? Yes. Don't tell me you haven't bought donuts. I already have my donut. Let's listen to Sylvia. Sylvia, which one is your favorite, Sylvia?
Burger King.
Burger King. What do you eat at Burger King?
What do you eat? Burger King.
What do you eat
What?
at Burger King? ¿Qué come en Burger King?
One.
One. Is that the combo number?
One Burger King.
Okay. Excellent. Very good, Sylvia. Thank you. Ricardo, which one is your favorite?
Favorite chicken campero.
Okay. Yeah, that's I don't know if it's my favorite, but I really like pollo campero. So bad, but it's really nice. Janet, which one is your favorite?
I prefer Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut too. Excellent. Very good. What about you, Christian? Which one is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut too. Excellent. Very good. Pizza Hut is winning. Good. Kevin, let's see. Which one is the one you like? Kevin?
I like pizza.
Pizza Hut too. Pizza Hut or Pizza Domino's?
Hut. Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Good. Good. Esther, which one is your favorite from this list that you have here? Esther, can you hear me? Maybe she's not there yet. Nestor, which is your favorite restaurant from the list?
My favorite restaurant is Pollo Campero.
Pollo Campero. Very good. Very, very good. I like Pollo Campero. Elmer, which one is your favorite? Hello, Elmer. Maybe not. Xochitl, what about you?
My favorite restaurant is Mr. Donut because I really like donuts.
You really like donuts. Very good. So this month, you will eat a lot of donuts, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Very good. Jaime, what about you? Which one do you like? Which one is your favorite, Jaime? Jaime, not that yet, probably. Let's see, Alberto, can you hear me?
My favorite restaurant, Pollo Campero.
Pollo Campero, very good. And Jacqueline, which is it? Which
My
one is?
favorite restaurant is Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, yeah. I think Pizza Hut won today. And now, guys, why are we talking about restaurants? Well, sometimes. Do you think it's common that people ask you, what do you eat at at a specific place? For example, when you talk to your friends and you say, you know what, I went to Pizza Hut, and they ask you, ¿y qué comiste? Does that happen to you? That people ask you, ¿y qué comiste? ¿Y qué compraste? Is that common? Yes or no? Because people ask me if I tell them I went to Pollo Campero. What did you eat? I had combo number 1. I probably had some French fries, or I probably had some nuggets. Okay, so we have to talk about what we order. I'm gonna show you a couple of pictures, and we're gonna come back to these pictures. What I wanna check right now is the vocabulary, okay? What do you see in the picture, Madeline? What do you see in this picture? Let's talk about vocabulary. What do you see there?
French potato.
French fries.
Fried hamburger, salmon, or cheese hamburger.
Yeah, this is there are 2 hamburgers, right? That's good enough. All right. Now don't forget, guys, yesterday we studied about there is and there are, right? So try to use them so you can practice. Very good. Thank you, Madeline. Let me see. I have another picture here. Who loves donuts? I think it was it you, Xochitl? What do you see in the picture? Was this? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, let's give it a try to Mario. Mario, what do you see in the picture?
A donut.
A donuts. Okay, very good. Mario, and do we use there is or there are?
There are.
There are. Okay, so we say there are some donuts, or there are 8 donuts, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good.
8 donuts.
Excellent. Thank you, Mario. Milton. I think we're gonna get hungry today. What about that one, Milton? What do you see in that picture? Milton, I think you are muted.
What do you
see?
Sería breakfast, porque mira como que fuera desayuno.
Yes, probably.
And
what do you see there? Tell me, like.
Sería there are breakfast.
Okay. And for example, what is this right here?
Ese sería pan, ¿cómo que es? Se me ha ido la palabra, ¿cómo se?
Bread. Good. And what about this one right here? This one right here. What's this?
Ese sería.
That's plátano.
Plátano.
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah. Well, banana is not the same as plátano, because banana is like the guineo, right? And plátano it's bigger. So, but it's okay. And what is this? You know what it is? What is it?
Como waffle?
No, it's not waffle.
No.
It's not waffle. Anybody? Do you know what that is? Can you help Milton with this one? What is that? Or is it too small? Can you see it?
No doy que es.
We know it as puré de papas, right?
Okay.
And in English, what is it? It is mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the chat. Mashed potato. That is what we call that one. mashed potato. And then we have the chicken, and we have, well, we already talked about French fries. Let's see this one. Alberto, what about this one? What's that? What do you see there? What do you see in the picture, Alberto? Hello, Alberto.
There is one order.
One order. Okay. What is in the order?
Yes.
Okay. What do you see in the order? We have four elements. What's this?
Una orden.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. There is an order. Now, what is this?
Hamburger.
There is a hamburger. What about this one?
Soda.
Okay. What about this one? It's just a bag, right? This one right here. And the last one, this one right here. Alberto, what do you see there? What are these?
French.
French. Fries. I'm gonna write it there in the chat. French fries. Very good, guys. So yes, that's French fries. Okay, let's see. I have somebody else here in the list. Sylvia. Let's look at the next picture. What's that? What do you see?
Or fries the pizza.
Okay. And what else do you see in the pizza? I mean, in the box. What's in the box? We have the pizza. What do you call this?
There is spray pizza jamón.
Yeah, well, that one is pepperoni. That one, the one that is in circles, is pepperoni.
Is pepperoni.
Yeah, that's pepperoni. That's the one. And this one I call cheese sticks, right? They are made of cheese, like the small palitroques that we have there. And we have these are cinnamon rolls. And I'm gonna write it in the chart, like cinnamon rolls. And we also have some chicken wings. Do you like chicken wings? Like chicken wings, do you like them? Let's see, I have here, let's see, let's look at the other picture. Janet, what do you see in this picture? Can you help me with that one? Hello.
Hamburger.
Okay, what else?
Fresh or coffee.
Yeah, I think this is coffee. And this one, we have a Coke.
Coca-Cola. Esa cosa blanca, no sé.
This is McFlurry. That's one. It's like an ice cream, similar.
Waffles, no.
Do you know what this is? It's a McMuffin. That's a muffin. That's the name. Muffin. I'm gonna put it in the chat too. It's a muffin. Okay, so now I'm gonna share the other screen right now because what we are going to actually learn, yes, we're going to learn vocabulary, but we are going to learn about two words that are important when we talk about objects, and it is some and any. Let me know when you can see the screen. So you will see some and any. Do you see the screen? Yes, do you see it? Do you see the picture?
Fresh fruit.
Oh, I'm sharing the wrong screen. Let me just check.
Fresh fruit.
Okay.
The orange.
Do you see this one? Do you see that it says some and any?
Yes.
Okay, good. These are the two words that we are going to learn to use today. And these two words are very important when we talk about amounts. And let me, I got the wrong here. So, no, sorry, that's okay. So let me move to this one here. And that is the one that we are going to be okay, can you see that? Yes, all right. So these two words, they have an important use when we talk about objects. And we are going to use them, for example, some, when we want to talk about an amount or something that exists. For example, going back to the pictures that I show you. Let me show you the picture and answer the question, please. All right. You will see, I'm going back to another pic, to the picture of the food. Let me just choose one, this one. Do you see the picture of Don Pollo? Yes, guys? Do you see that? Okay, good,
Yes.
good. All right. Do you see chicken in the picture? Yes. Or no?
Yes.
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 Do you
Yes.
see salad in the picture? Like those three small things with salad, do you see them?
Three.
Yes.
These
Yes.
ones right here, do you see them? Yes, okay, very good. And we also have, for example, let me just get, and we also have, for example, these two right here, like the one you see them, they are like two beverage, two drinks. Do you see them in the picture? Yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now, one more question. Do you see a hamburger in the picture?
No.
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 Okay, okay. That means that the hamburger does not exist in the picture. Is that clear? Do you see the hamburger? No, right?
No.
No.
So it means that it doesn't exist. But we can see the chicken, we can see the salad, and we can see the two drinks. Now, going back to the explanation, okay? Going back to the explanation. So that means that we are going to use the word some when we can see the things, when they exist, okay? When the things exist, we can go ahead, we can say some. For example, we can say, I have some apples. Okay, I have some apples. And we are going to use, for example, there is or there are. In the picture, I'm actually going to copy the picture here so that we can see it. Let me just get that picture really quickly. I'm going to copy the photo, the picture of the chicken, okay? So don't, let me just show you that picture again, okay? All right, let me come here. I'm gonna paste the photo of the picture, okay? That's the picture of the chicken, okay? Now, what do you see in the picture again? We see the chicken, right? Now, do you see only one piece of chicken or do you see more than one? How many pieces of chicken do you see?
More than one.
More than one. Okay. So, but can you count how many pieces? Can you tell me how many? Or no? Can you actually say, okay, I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but if I don't want to say the number, for example, I can write there, let me just change this, there are some pieces of chicken, okay? We use some for plural and when you can see the objects. Now, I'm going to move the picture for a moment. I'm going to make it small. I will put it here. And now let's look at the other word. The other word is any. Okay, any, it says there that when we want to talk about something, whether something exists, but this is used for questions and also used for negative. And this one is used for positive sentences. So we have, there are some pieces of chicken. Let's write a negative sentence using the hamburger. What can I write? For example, there, let me write it here. I'm gonna write it here. There is not any hamburger. Okay. Oops. There is not any hamburger. So we use some, right? We use some, and we will see some other examples. Some, we use it for positive sentences. And any, negative or questions. Okay, we're gonna use it for negative or for questions. For example, the question, I can ask the question, are there any hamburger? Well, are there any hamburgers in the picture? Are there any hamburgers in the picture? And this is a question. So are there any hamburgers, guys? Yes or no? In the picture? This one right here?
No.
No.
Right. Okay. So we use any for negatives and questions, right? This is actually the question for this, right? So I'm gonna put it here. Right, so we can say, let me just delete this. So we can say, are there any hamburgers in the picture? No, there is not any hamburger because it's singular. Let me show you some examples. All right, and look at the pictures. These are examples with some. Let's see, let me have Mario. Can you please read sentence number 1? Can you read it, Mario?
I have some delicious cookies in the kitchen.
Okay, here are the cookies. Thank you, Mario. Very good. Here are the cookies. Is it plural or is it singular?
Plural.
Plural. Can you see the cookies in the picture? Can you see the cookies? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So we can say, I have some delicious cookies in the kitchen. Let's look at the other picture here. What do you see in this picture? Say that again.
Positive sentence.
Yes, these are positive sentences. Very good. I have, they are positive. What do you see in this picture? For example, Milton, what do you see in this picture? This one, what do you see here? What is that? Milton?
There is some milk in the refrigerator.
There is some milk in the refrigerator. Very good. Now, yes. Now, so we have milk and we use some because it's positive. We can see the we can see in the refrigerator in the picture. We can see the milk.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Now, Christian, help me with the next one. Number 3.
There are some beautiful flowers in the garden.
Okay, can you see the flowers in the picture? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are they in the garden?
Positive.
Yes.
Positive.
So it is positive, right?
Positive.
Positive. So we say some beautiful flowers. Look at this picture, the one that has the milk. I'm going to ask you a question. Is there any juice, orange juice? Is there any orange juice in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, Alberto. How can you say the sentence? Say the sentence, negative. I'm going to show you here the example. Negative sentence. By using the orange juice. This one. This is the example. Alberto?
There is not any orange juice.
Excellent. Very good. There is not any orange juice. Very good. Now, let's look at the other part. We have the other word. We have any. Any. Any means, or we use any for questions, and remember for negative sentences. And for example, we can say, in the question, do you have any plans for the weekend? That's a question. Okay. Help me with the next one, Nestor. Number 2.
And 2.
Yes, number 2, please. This one.
Is there any pizza left in the box?
Is there any pizza left in the box? What do you think, guys? Can somebody answer the question? Jacqueline? Is there any pizza left in the box? Jacqueline, I don't see Jacqueline. Okay. Magdalene, is there any pizza left in the box? Yes or no?
Oh, no, there isn't no pizza.
There isn't, or there is not. Don't forget the word.
Oh, there isn't
Any.
any pizza.
There isn't any pizza left in the box. Very good. Thank you, Maidani. Number 3, look at this picture. This is a sad picture because there is no money. So help me with number 3. Who haven't? Sylvia, can you help me with number 3?
No.
Read the
Yes.
sentence, please. Read the sentence.
Yes, I don't have any money with me. No.
Okay, thank you. So if you see,
Yes.
okay, thank you, Sylvia. So what does this mean? I don't have any money. It means that there is $0, guys. Right? $0. There's no money. That's what it means. I don't have any money. It means 0, nothing. Right? Is that clear, guys?
Any money, 0.
Is that clear, guys? Yes? So remember, some, Christian, some for positive or negative sentences.
Negative.
Thank you, Nestor. Okay, some. Are you sure? Some is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
Some. Some. We're talking about
negative.
some.
Some is positive. Positive.
Some is for, look at the picture here. Look at the screen. Some is for positive sentences. Positive sentences. Okay. And we have any, Christian, is it for positive or negative? Christian? Okay, Janet.
Negativo.
Milton, is that negative or positive?
Negativo. Negative.
Okay. And Janet, what word do we use for questions? Some or any?
Some.
Questions.
No sé cómo decirlo en inglés, pero porque sí es verdad que no tiene nada en la cartera.
So we use any.
Mm.
Any. That is the word for questions. Remember, any.
Have any money?
Any is for negative and it is for questions. Let me show you this. So these words, right? So we have some. We want to know the amount. Now, any means absence. Absence means 0. Okay, nothing. And when we want to check, or when we have an amount, we use some. And if we want to check the existence in a question, we use any. Okay, but let's do some exercises, guys, so that you can get practice on this, okay? Let's do some exercises. So I'm gonna take you to the game for a little practice. So I'm gonna show you here. Let me just change to the next one. What's wrong with Zoom? There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do one of these exercises that we have here. Let's see, some or any. Let's do this exercise. Okay, I'm gonna, again, guys, I'm gonna ask some of you to help me with this. This activity is very easy because we just have to choose some or any. Madeline, let's begin with number 1. Read the sentence, please, and complete with the correct answer.
Okay, yeah, there is some milk in the fridge.
Fridge. There is, remember, the fridge is the same as refrigerator. It's the same, you can say either one. Okay, so I'm gonna write it there. Fridge equals refrigerator. Okay, it's the same. Fridge or refrigerator. Let's see some. Excellent, very good. Let's move on to the next one, okay? Let's move on to the next one. The next one says, Jane, that's the girl, doesn't have friends. Let's see, Mario, what do you think it's the right answer? Some or any?
Some.
Some or any, Mario?
Any.
Mario?
Jan doesn't have any friend.
And don't have any friend.
Okay, Mario, very good. Jane doesn't have any friends. Why is any? Mario, can you tell me why you choose any? Why do you choose any, Mario? Because it is?
No.
What does it mean, this word? Is it positive or is it negative? Mario, positive or negative? Negative. And we use for negatives, we use any.
Any negative.
Excellent, very good. So we have any. Jane doesn't have any friends. The next one, Milton. What about this one? It's a question, Milton. What do we use? Do we use some or do we use any?
Do you have some question for me?
Do you have some questions for me?
Yes.
What do you think, guys? Milton, is it a question? Is it positive or is it negative? Question.
Sería cuestión positiva. Positive.
But it's only, you have to choose. Question, positive or negative? Only one. What is it? Question? Positive or negative?
Positive.
What do you think, guys?
It's question.
It's a
Question.
It's a question. This is a question. Okay. And what is the word that we use for questions?
Any.
Any. Exactly. Very good. So Milton, we have to use in questions any.
Any.
Okay, is that clear? Let's move on to the next one. Sylvia, help me with this one. Sylvia, can you hear me?
Any.
It is?
Would you like cookies or cake?
Let's see, would you like,
Any. Sorry.
in this case is some, because of the word would, okay? But only because we have would. Would you like some cookies or
You
cakes?
like some cookies or cake?
Thank you, Sylvia, very good. Let's check the next one. Let's see, Ricardo, help me with this one.
Some of my friends are going to the park.
Excellent, very good, Ricardo, thank you. Janet, what about this one?
You can have
Mhm.
some of that you want.
You can have some.
You can have. You want? No.
No, you want. Okay, but
You want.
actually, in this case, we use any.
Any.
Yes, it's positive, but here we are saying cualquiera. That's what it means. You can have any job you want, and it means cualquiera. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Kevin, help me with this one.
Could you give me any water, please?
Any, let's see. Okay, before we continue, guys, because in this exercise, we have some words like could and would. When you use could and would, you will have to use some, okay? Only when you have could or would. I'm gonna show you the other exercise in a moment, okay? Let's do probably the last one in here. Let's see, so who's next? Nestor, can you try this one, please? Nestor.
He needs some medicine for his cold.
He needs some medicine for his cold. Very good, Nestor. Thank you. Alberto, this one is simple, negative. What do we use? Alberto?
She can have some caffeine at night.
This one is negative. Remember that.
That's negative. It's any. She
Any.
can have any caffeine at night.
Excellent. Very good, Alberto. That's correct.
Right.
What about this one, Sochin? Positive or negative? Question. Some or any?
Is there any pizza left?
Okay.
I am hungry.
Very good, Sochin. Is there any pizza left? I'm hungry. Very good. All right. I'm going to show you the other exercise so that we can, this one right here. And this one is a little more simple. And so we have the pictures and then we are going to complete the exercise that we have here. Okay, so again, I'm going to ask some of you and we are going to check the answers. Esther, I haven't heard you. Esther, can you help me with the first one, please? Hello, Esther, not there. Elmer, are you there? Help me with the first one. Elmer, no. Okay, let's begin again with the Maideli. Help me with this one.
We need some bananas.
We need some bananas. Very good. Let's try the next one, Mario. Mario, what about this one?
You can buy some fresh in the shop?
Some, these are strawberries. And Mario, is it negative or is it positive?
Positive.
Look at this word. Look at this word. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Uh-huh.
Yes, negative.
Okay,
You
so
can buy any fresh in the shop.
you can't buy any strawberries in the shop. Let's check the answer. Excellent. Any strawberry. Fresas, they are strawberries.
Strawberries.
Let me write it in the chat.
Strawberries. Okay.
Strawberries. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. I put it in the chat. Strawberries, like you see it there. Let's continue with the next one. Let's see, Milton. Help me with that one. Help me with that one, Milton. This one. Milton, are you there?
There are some here on the table.
Table, very good, excellent. There are some apples on the table, right? Not chairs, there are some apples. We're looking at the apples. Okay, very good. Sylvia, let's continue with this one. What about this one? What would be the question? What you have to create is the question. You have to use these words. See, you have to use these words. Orange in the basket. Okay. Okay, but what is the question? How do we make the question with these ones? What I need to ask is for oranges. What is the correct question? If I want to ask for oranges, what is the correct question? We're gonna ask, is there an orange in the basket? Or you can ask, is there an orange in the basket? Or are there any oranges in the basket? Let's look at the answer. See? All right, let's see. Are there any oranges in the basket? What is the answer? No, there aren't. Okay, so if you want to ask for something, are there any oranges in the basket? No, there aren't. Okay, very good. Now let's continue with the next one. Let's see, who am I missing? Ricardo, help me with the next one. The one with the sandwich.
Is
This one.
Annie?
Annie, see, I'm so hungry. I need positive or negative?
A negative.
This one. This one right here. Is it negative or is it positive? Remember that negative includes the word not.
A positive, a song.
Okay, so I'm so hungry. I need some sandwiches. Okay? I need some sandwiches. Okay, let's continue doing some other exercises. Let's see, Kevin, are you there? Or maybe, yeah, Kevin, what about this one, the next one? You have to create the question.
Are there any peaches on the table?
Okay, let's check. Excellent, very good. Are there any peaches on the table? Very good, Kevin. Nestor, help me with the next one. This one, the one with the little girl. Nestor, can you help me with that one? She
never eat. No sé qué es lo que come.
These are vegetables, but let me ask you a question. Is this a negative or positive sentence?
Negative.
Negative.
Any,
So we say she
any
never
vegetables.
eats any
Any
Vegetables.
vegetables.
Vegetable.
Excellent.
salad.
Let's see. Let me just clear this. Okay. Let's see what's the answer. Any vegetables. Very good, Nestor. Let's continue with Alberto. Alberto, help me with this one. Help me with this one right here. Help me with this one. Alberto. Are there question?
Any?
Any? What's this? Onions.
Onions, cebolla, onions in the
Fridge.
refrigerator.
Fridge. This word is fridge. Let's see. Excellent. Very good, Alberto. Any onions?
Any onions. Okay.
Very good. Let's continue with the next one. Xochitl. Xochitl, help me with this one.
Are there any vegetables in the fridge?
Are there any vegetable in the fridge? What are these specifically?
I don't know. its name.
Peppers. But it is okay, Xochitl. Very good. Are there any peppers in the fridge? Very good. Excellent. All right. Let's continue with this one right here. So we're almost about to finish, but let's do the last one. Who am I missing? Janet. Janet, what about that one? This one right here. This one, help me with this one. They are
4 tomatoes.
There are, but you have to use some or any.
They are some
tomatoes. Let's see. Let's look at the answer. We have some tomatoes. Excellent. Very good. There are some tomatoes. Okay, guys, because of the time, let me just go here and just so that we can finish and we are going to recap. Okay, so remember, remember that we use some for positive sentences, okay? We use some for positive sentences, right? We also use some, but only in questions. But look at this. When you offer something or when you ask for something, that means that when you offer something or you ask for something, we can use some in questions. But if it is negative, if it is negative, if we are making a question, we use, what do we use, guys? Any. Remember that, please. Remember that. Remember that you use any. Okay. Guys, do you have any question? Do you have any questions about these two words, some and any?
Any.
Questions? No? Do you have A doubt? No? Okay. Madeline, you have a question, Madeline?
Cuando estábamos haciendo los ejercicios pude observar de que habían algunas excepciones con some.
Yes.
En las preguntas solo sería con will y con could.
Could, yes, that is correct. Those are the only exceptions. Porque esas palabras se ocupan para pedir o para ofrecer algo a alguien. That's why. Y aquí está, you can read it here. Some can be used in questions when you offer something or you ask for something. Cuando le ofrece, aquí está, would you like some tea? Can I have some water? Cuando pedimos algo o cuando ofrecemos algo, en la pregunta, we use some. That's the only exception. Is that clear?
Y también cuando es singular se puede usar. Yo pensé que solo era con plural.
Why? Water. Is that what you're saying? Or tea? The thing is that tea and water, they don't have a singular or a plural. Hay nombres que no tienen plural o singular. Por ejemplo, agua no tiene plural. Like water. Water, it doesn't have a plural. You don't say waters. Entonces se puede ocupar some, but remember, water is not singular. Water is a noun, but it's not singular, it's not plural, it's just water. And we can use some. Is that clear? Like, for example, apple, a meal is also not singular or plural. No decimos, por ejemplo, leches, aunque en español sí lo hacemos, pero en inglés se respeta mucho eso. El hecho de que hay nombres que no decimos leches, aguas in English. Is that clear, guys?